Hey, welcome back to Mark Customs Garage. Today we're going to work on hanging this air filtration system. I picked this bad boy up on Facebook Market for $100. That's what I'm talking about. It was barely used. The guy said he owned it for like a few months, then he had to move. Whatever. Not important. So he did use it in his own wood shop. I'm going to be using this in my metal shop. I don't know if the particulates are the same when it comes to floating in the air, but what I do know is this. Let me show you. I'll take my finger. I guarantee you I'm gonna pull something down. Yeah. You see that right there? That is floating in the air. That's not good. And it's also floating in your lungs. So hopefully this will, if not stop, but hopefully it'll reduce this. That's pretty gross. All right, so this thing is pretty cool. I don't know if you guys are familiar with these, but they are programmable. So you literally have a 1, 2, or 4 hour programmable setting where it'll turn on. It'll turn on for that amount of time, and it'll automatically turn off after. If that makes sense. Did I say that right? I'm pretty sure. If I didn't, you know what I'm talking about. It came with this remote as well. If you have high ceilings, you can just really grab this and set it on, off, and set the speed on it too. It's got 3 different speeds. We're gonna hang it with some chain that we purchased down at our local hardware store here. It's called Houston's Hardware. And we're gonna go ahead and put these in the ceiling to mount. So I think I said it all. Oh, one more thing. I guess these are interchangeable. These are Chinese-made air filtration systems that literally people put their different names on them. So these filters are made by Win, 5 micron. So extra filters for this unit. Let me turn it around so you can see the other side. So literally just open this up and you got a secondary filter and then your little cage right there. So yeah, filters are clean and yeah, just like that. Let's hang this bad boy. All right, so before we hang this, we're gonna talk about where we're gonna hang it. Generally, when you hang one of these, you want it to be right above your general work area. So that is exactly where we're gonna hang it, right next to that fume extractor that we built. If you haven't seen the fume extractor video, go check it out. I think you'll really like it. All right, let's get to it. Wish me luck. All right, this is real sweat. Want me to hear? Don't want to hear me complain about how hot it is in here again? 80 degrees. Damn it. All right, check it out. We got it mounted. We got to level it a little bit, but it's there, man. It's looking good. We got it up there. Let's go ahead and test it out and see if this remote works. Let's see. Let's turn it on. Oh, shoot. It works. Awesome. It's quiet too. Very quiet. So let's try the speed on it. See, that's medium. That's on high. Hell yeah. Now let's test one more thing and see if it'll get in the way of our garage door opener, which it shouldn't. But hey, won't know until you try. We literally have like 1 inch. So we're gonna go ahead and lift that up just a little bit for, you know, so I don't have a heart attack. Awesome. All right, so we are level. The bubble don't lie. Yeah, buddy. All right, now let's make sure that it does not get in the way of the fume extractor. Let's check it out. Nope, that's good. Perfect. Love it. Heck yeah. Well, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. It's, you know, we're building this shop here at Mark Customs Garage, and I hope you guys are gonna ride with me until you know, we get it fully built. And we've got some builds to come, so just hang on tight, and you know, we got some cool stuff on the way. But till then, let me go ahead and try this out for you guys, and it kicks right on, and it kicks right off. So that's cool. Hopefully that will reduce the amount of dust collected in the shop, and yeah, if anything, it's a peace of mind, you know. All right, well, till next time, stay humble, hustle harder, and catch you on the next one. Later, peace.